Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier video that I shared a few hours ago with you, before the video by the way, I was showing you that while forming the C wave on the daily time frame chart of an Elliott wave structure on a smaller time frame, on a 4-hour time frame chart, Bitcoin is completing the 5-wave structure of Elliott wave. You can see that this was the wave 1, then we had the correction wave 2 that was not retraced more than 100% of wave 1. Then we have the longest wave 3, and this was the wave 4. And I was telling you that now there is a probability that after the completion of this wave 4, we may see soon the completion of wave 5 to the upside. Let me show you what I was telling you in my previous videos. And this is the correction wave 4. And now during the formation of this impulsive wave 5, the price can again hit the resistance of the triangle. For example, if the wave 5 will be equal to wave 1, then let me just show you that length. Then you can see that it can hit this resistance that is at $69,000. And for example, if wave 5 will be equal to wave 3, then we can even break out the highest price of March 2024 as well, because in that situation we can move to $76,900 and $900. And for example, if the price line, if this move will be almost half of the wave 3, then even then it can break out the resistance of this triangle and move very close to the next resistance, $73,794. And now you can see that on this 4-hour time frame chart, the price line is geared up and formed another higher high, and now it is forming the wave 5. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this Elliott wave structure that was formed on the daily time frame chart to the downside. And I was telling you in my previous videos that after the completion of this 5-wave structure, now we may see an ABC correction. And while forming this C wave, there can be two probabilities that after the completion of this C wave, the larger wave, the larger trend to the downside can be continued, or there will be a probability that if the price breaks out the resistance of $60,000, that was the support of the triangle on the daily time frame chart, then we may see a shift in the trend. And you can see that the price broke out that resistance. And in today's video, we will also analyze this breakout. And I would also like to show you once again this rising channel that has been formed after breaking out this big falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of July 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for IO.net, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see over here, you can see that when I shared this signal, like in this case, I shared this signal almost 4 or 5 days ago on 14th of July 2024. And you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. By the way, in order to click this play button, you need at least a free account on the trading view. If you don't have, then you can create one using the link I've shared in the description of this video. And after clicking this button, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very, very massive rally, by the way. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And here you can see that the price then formed this Elliott wave structure to the downside. We had this impulsive wave 1. Then we had the correction wave 2 that was not retraced more than 100% of wave 1. Then we had the longest wave 3. Then we had another correction wave 4. And this was the wave 5. And this was the ABC correction after the completion of this 5-wave structure. And I was telling you that while forming this C wave, there can be a probability that the price then, if break out the resistance of this previous, that was, by the way, breaking as a support of this previous descending triangle that was at $60,000, then the trend can be shifted and this downtrend can be ended, and this downtrend will be not continued to the downside. And you can see that the price then finally, while forming this C wave, it broke out the resistance of this, the support of the triangle that was breaking as a resistance. By the way, on the 4-hour time frame chart, the price then also formed this rising wedge pattern as well that I was also showing you in my previous videos, and also broke out the resistance of this wedge. Then we had a nice pump, and now we are about to hit this long-term resistance of $69,000. That is, by the way, the highest price of the month of November 2021 of the previous bull run. And now if we take a look at this wave 5, let me show you on the 4-hour time frame chart. You can see that on this 4-hour time frame chart, while forming this C wave, it is also completing another Elliott wave structure to the upside. This is the impulsive wave 1, then we have correction wave 2, then we had the longest wave 3, 4, correction wave 4, then now you can see finally it has started this wave 5. And while forming this wave 5, I'm expecting that it can also hit the resistance of this descending triangle as well. By the way, the resistance of the descending triangle is approximately at $70,500 or $600 or $700. And if the price breaks out this resistance, then there will be a very long-term resistance once again. That is the highest price of the month of March 2024 at $73,794. Now, if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this very big falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, the price and formed this rising channel. And recently, once again, it is bounced very well from the support of the channel. But still, we will need to break out this resistance zone that starts from $69,000 and goes to $73,794. Such move we have been watching previously as well, when the price then formed a double top here. You can see from the month of April 2023 up till the month of July 2023. We formed a double top here, approximately between $30,000 to $31,000. We found a resistance here, and here we had a very nice support, approximately at $25,000. That was previously working as a resistance here, support here, and support here. At the same time, the price and also bounced very well from the support of this channel and broke out this level of resistance where the price line formed this double top. And then we had a very, very massive rally. Same as like that, if the price line breaks out this resistance zone where it formed the double top, then we may see another very, very powerful rally. And this time, the resistance of this rising channel will be somewhere here, and if the price then reaches there, then it can hit the resistance at this level, somewhere approximately at $100,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.